San Diego. So, as I've heard, this is the first version or San Diego 1.0. So we're gonna check this out, and looks cool from the outside. We're gonna go inside and explore. Check out the visitor center. Okay, so this is the whole town in a nutshell. Mason Street School. Nasa dulo yung school eh. So this gives me the Back to the Future vibe because we're actually looking at the rail structure that we just saw. I showed you in that scale model. So this is that small town. Pretty cool. Salon Cigars. Can you see the California Republic flag below the US flag there on top? So imagine we are setting foot where rich history was made. Your Honor, I would like to report.
I plead not guilty.
Plead not guilty.
Here. Secret want to go straight.
You shot the sheriff.
I shot the sheriff. Hey, Sheriff.
Ito naman si Mayor.
Gonna talk to the sheriff.
Sino ngayon at one? Sino ngayon ang mayor sa Olongapo?
So this is the sheriff that was shot by Bob Marley from the song I Shot the Sheriff. Where's the mayor? Is the mayor absent again?
He's absent again.
My goodness.
Isn't that horrible?
Yes. We should stop paying our taxes, right?
Thank you.
into the stable. This is the actual stable, if you remember, in the scale model that I've showed you up front in the visitor area. We're gonna check the actual stable, which is here.
¿Suerte? ¿Cuál es la carretera esa?
Pues si va, por ejemplo, yendo para mí, luego si va, por ejemplo, para
Bicycle.
Check out the bamboo bicycle here.
And I got to pull all the nails because they give me old horseshoes that they pull off horses. So I took a bunch of these and put them in the fire, brought them up to welding temperature. Now that's where the surface starts going molten. So a lot of them start sticking together. So I got some tongs, took them out. So you see how we're making a whole bunch of individual little scrap pieces back into a solid piece again. And that's a great thing about the iron. You can just use it over and over to melt it all the way down to.
Okay, so we just went full circle and going back to the parking lot. That was a amazing experience, bringing you back to the past and seeing all these structures here and imagining that this was built the 1800s, some of them earlier, and that people actually live in this town. And I've read from one part of the exhibit there that there was a bit of a struggle before Old Town became the first San Diego 1.0. But yeah, again, thankful to be here right now. Super amazing. We're halfway through our US tour, by the way. Still a lot of stuff ahead of us. We're gonna go to San Francisco in a few days from now. But yeah, thank you for checking out these videos. Still a lot. Stay tuned.